for you to help with your summer beauty blunders. You may not know you're doing them, but beauty and fashion expert Kate DuPont is here, and she has help. Good to see you.
Good to see you, Destry. Thanks for having me again.
Well, you're here. You know you're in Arizona, and we have to deal with a lot here in Arizona.
That's right.
Summer's a hard time for makeup,
Summer
right?
is probably the most difficult season to look our best because we're dealing with so many different elements. We're outdoors. The sun is so intense. The heat is just melting off our makeup.
Right.
So it's a really tough season to look our best, but there are some key products that I brought in today to really help you look your best all summer long.
All right, let's start with the face, of course, makeup on the face.
Of course. So one common blunder that I see women make is using too many products on the skin. And when you use too many products on the skin, your skin's prone to breakouts, irritation. So stick with a good serum that has multiple benefits in product. I love this from Lumene. This is the Lumene Bright Now Vitamin C BB Serum. It's a very lightweight, colorless serum that's going to minimize the appearance of pores, which we need in the summer because our pores are so enlarged. And it has light reflecting pigments to add radiance to the skin. I love it because it's free of harsh chemicals like synthetic colorants and parabens. $21.99 you can get at CVS and Ulta and Dermstore. So
that's what's great. You don't have to spend a ton of money.
You certainly don't. You certainly don't. Drugstore products are great.
Okay, what do we have next?
Moving on, a very common blunder that I see women make is they pay all of the attention to the chin up when it comes to skincare, which is great, but you don't want to neglect your neck.
Yeah, that's like the new thing, is to make sure your neck looks good too.
It is, and you know why? The skin on your neck is much thinner and it's much more delicate than the skin on your face, and it's one of the first areas to show aging. So go with a neck cream. I love this from Racine. This is the Racine Ultimate Youth Power Neck Emulsion, and this is a great anti-aging neck cream that has some really cool state-of-the-art biotechnology ingredients, like more than 60 peptides and ginseng stem cell extracts. So what does that mean for us? All of the ingredients really work together to reduce those deep-set necklines that we have on the neck. It repairs our collagen and elastin, so it boosts the collagen and elastin, key for anti-aging. You want to use it twice a day. Put a little bit in upward circular motions to target that neck.
I like
$48.
that, especially for the neck. And then, of course, the eyes, another important.
The eyes. And this summer is a super busy season for all of us with all of the traveling and vacations. So you're bound to get dark circles. So I want you to meet the CoverGirl and Olay Deep Puffer Eye Concealer. This is going to be your new best friend this summer because not only is it going to cover those dark circles, it has a cooling metal tip right over here that's going to soothe the puffiness. And you know, whether 19 or 90, we all get the puffiness, we all get the dark circles. So this is going to give you that lift and coverage you need all day and all night, only $12 at drugstores.
All right. Now, we were talking about the Arizona sun and sweating, and you don't want to use like thick lotion.
That is the last thing you want to put on your skin, like a rich cream in the summer in 100-degree weather. So stick with a light spray lotion. This is from Palmer's. This is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Rapid Moisture Spray Lotion. It's blended with cocoa butter, vitamin E, and shea butter in this convenient spray delivery system moisture.
That's like the new thing,
It's the new thing. It's easy. You just spray it on the skin. It's quickly absorbed, and this is going to give you moisture for more than 24 hours.
Okay.
This is perfect if you're spending the day in the sun because it's going to hydrate your skin, and cocoa butter is great for soothing sunburn.
Oh, that's good too.
Perfect.
Especially around here. Okay, this is something I have not seen before.
This is so cool. So when we talk about blenders, the biggest problem that I hear women have in the summer is frizzy hair.
Yeah.
And when it comes to frizzy hair, argan oil is a powerhouse ingredient. And I found a brush from Conair with argan oil built into it.
Yeah,
that's
interesting.
It's so cool. This is the Conair Infinity Pro Argan Oil Treatment Strip Finishing Brush. So if you see right down the middle of this brush, it has a strip of argan oil. Conair calls it their one and only argan oil treatment strip. So when you brush your hair, exactly, this has natural boar bristles. It's going to distribute the argan oil through your hair. Perfect, adds a ton of shine. Drugstores.
Yeah, and if you don't like your hair, I like these.
Ponytails are so chic. And I'm wearing something called Bandits, which I am in love with. This is comfortable, wearable jewelry that doubles as a hair tie. So they're worn as a bracelet on the wrist, and when you're ready to tie your hair up in a ponytail or bun, you just slip this on.
So cute.
How cute is this? They're handmade in the U.S. from some stylish materials like lace and organza. $15 for a 3 they're perfect for any outfit.
Yeah, they're
Workout
really
clothes,
cute.
evening attire.
And then you have like lightweight
I
perfume.
love
and
light
stuff, too.
perfume. In the winter, we go for the more musky, the heavier scents. Go with citrus, something very lightweight in the summer. Also, mascara and lip gloss. Keep the face really fresh and simple. You don't need a lot of powders. Oil blotting papers are a great alternative. Powders can really add a lot of buildup and add that cakey element to the skin. And of course, sunglasses. Squinting in the sun gives us those eye wrinkles that none of us want.
Yeah.
So always wear sunglasses when you're outdoors this season.
All right, a lot of great tips.
All
Thanks
good
so
stuff.
much. I love
Thank
it.
you.
And for more information on anything we showed you, go to katedupont.com. You see it right there on your screen. You can also, of course, go to